Mark the host wall with the dimension from the top of the windows to the internal ridge. Fix a wood block at least 50 mm deep to the host wall, with the top face set at the internal ridge height. It will support the ridge assembly whilst you erect the rest of the roof. Do not remove it until the roof is assembled. Lift the ridge assembly and rest the rear face on top of the wooden block and the front face into the recess at the top of the gable frames so that they are in line. To identify the glazing bar positions for your conservatory, refer to your diagram. The glazing bars can then be counted anti-clockwise around the layout. Run a bead of silicone along the top faces of the gable frame. Start the ridge assembly by attaching the starter bars over the single bolt retainers in the eaves beam. Drill through the starter bars into the top of the gable frame and secure